Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to check and how to install updates on this watch. So to check for the system updates, we can open the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch, then tap on the general option and here tap on software update. The app will start automatically looking for the updates that are available, and as you can see we have the latest version, but if there was an update available it will be listed here and you can tap on install to install it. You can also enable the beta updates if you want to and check if there is any beta updates available. There is one, and if you want to install it you can tap on download and install, but I probably would opt out from the beta updates if you're not sure about them. Okay, and once you're done you can close the app, and that's how you download and install the updates or system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.